Francis, and this is your channel of your choice. That's what I like calling it. Some people are asking why I like calling it, because you're not here by accident. You're here because you're supposed to be here and to be learning something about these inspiring videos like the one I'm just about to talk about. I want to talk about how we can practice self-love about ourselves and how we can inculcate it in our daily life and ensure that we have that self-confidence, we have that self-esteem, we have that potential, ability to deal with our potential without any hopelessness or without any problem. Now, I have talked about what is self-love and what self-love is not. If you haven't watched that, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and go back. First of all, pause, go watch about what is self-love and ensure that you understand